If you find yourself having trouble with your Crosse View connected item, performing a factory restart may just be your solution. But unlike many of our other products, these connected devices will require some additional steps to fully be reset. In this video, we will walk you through the full restart procedure, which should get your device back to its out-of-the-box condition. So, let's get started. The first step in resetting your system is for those of you who are seeing dashes for data on your station screen. This typically means a sensor is not synced properly. To correct this, remove the batteries from any sensor not connecting and move it inside next to the display. Next, on your display, press and hold down the two outermost buttons until you see the screen clear and reset. This will wipe out any preset settings, your internet connection, and any data stored in its history. After clearing the display, we'll take this one step further by removing the power cord. If your display uses double or AAA batteries for backup purposes, you'll need to remove those as well. Those with coin cell batteries can leave these installed. Now, with all the power removed, press any button on the display at least 25 times, and wait another few moments with the power completely off. This will remove any random energy still left in the display and ensure things have fully been reset. During this moment with your display powered down, it would be a great time to install new alkaline batteries into any of the sensors that were having issues showing data on your display. After all this, it's time to power back up your display using the power cord. Within the next few minutes, you should begin to see your sensor data populate on screen, meaning the dashes will turn into numbers. Please allow up to 10 minutes for all sensors to connect. If you were having trouble with a wind or rain sensor, try spinning the wind cups for at least 30 seconds, and/or tipping the rain sensor's tipping cups back and forth at least 10 times. Then press the rain button on the display until you see your Now readings appear. Confirm that your wind and/or rain readings move up from 0 within the next few moments. If they do, your system should be good to go. However, if these readings remain stuck at 0, or if the dashes never turn to numbers on screen, you'll want to reach out to us for support. You can do this through our website, Facebook, or Twitter page. But let's assume your sensors reconnected with your display successfully. At this point, you'll likely want to reconnect your display to your Wi-Fi network to receive internet weather, time, and date data on its screen, and sensor readings in your Crosse View app. To do this, make sure your mobile device is connected to your router's separate 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Then go into the Connect Wi-Fi page in the app, and make sure to enter your correct Wi-Fi password. This should get your display reconnected. We thank you for watching and truly hope these steps help get your Crosse View connected item back up and running correctly. However, if you continue to experience issues after performing these steps, then we encourage you to reach out to us through our website here, or in a private chat on our Facebook or Twitter page. In the meantime, don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the end of this video to receive all of our latest content and further video instruction. Thanks again for choosing Crosse Technology.